Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today is another home decor quickie. We're going to talk about what to do if you don't have closet doors. You have a few options. First off, let me show you a few examples of having French doors, which I guess are still doors, but since they have the little grids of window panes, we're going to classify them on their own, and this is something really quick and easy that you can pick up from Lowe's and put in place in your closet to shed a little light from your room into your closet and also allow you to see what's in your closet without going all the way in. Next up, we have the sliding barn door kit, or the sliding barn doors. Now you can buy this as a kit from Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, and really DIY and install it yourself. And it's great if you don't have closet doors because it still allows you to shut off your closet if you're kind of like me and don't keep your closet the tidiest. So now we have something that's fairly new, but a lot of people are choosing to do it. It's really just not having a door on your closet at all and making it a nook or cranny in your room that you just happen to hang clothes in. It's part of your room. It gives you a little more space. As you see, a lot of people have chosen to move their dresser in there, maybe add a mirror, and that also frees up space in your bedroom area. Okay, so up next we have pocket doors. This is great if you have a room that is kind of low on space because these doors actually fit into the wall, which allows them to virtually disappear. You don't have to have the overhang on the door on one side or the other side of your room. It's a great space saver. Now, I've heard some people say that this is a DIY project. I think it depends on how extensive your DIY skills are. This is probably something that I would not be able to do. However, if you are someone with a background in general contracting or something like that, it could be feasible for you. Okay, probably one of the easiest fixes that we have here in this video, just a pair of good old curtains, whether you choose to place a rod overhead and hang them on that, or just kind of tuck them, on the inside of your closet and let them hang. You can go with a variety of colors, of textures, and whatever color scheme that you have in your bedroom can easily transcend to your closet curtains as well. I love this idea, and of course, on the scale of DIY, how difficult it is, this is going to be super easy. Okay, so last but not least, also a super easy one, we have macrame hangings or lace shears or some type of boho tapestry just to go ahead and put in your closet to divide the space, but it still flows in with your home decor vibe, especially if you have an eclectic or a boho style room. Also, just note, some people actually make these, so if you're gifted in that area, it could come out a lot cheaper for you. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.